breaking down the houses. Totally broken down. Total destruction of the houses. Doors broken down, everything broken down. Ceilings broken down. Sorry, Bob. And still there's a bed inside. The bed is still inside and they're breaking down the houses. There's a bed inside. Just go see, there's still a bed inside. Total destruction. Still the bed is inside. And what they say is, they've won the match. They've won the game. Now we'll see what court says.